Class 6, General Science, Chapter 15 AIR around US. Learn about air around us in just one shot. This video is designed specially for Class 6 students preparing for their science exam. Introduction. Air is present everywhere around us, even though we cannot see it. It is a mixture of different gases, water vapor, dust, and smoke. Air is essential for all living beings and many natural processes. Composition of air. Air is made up of several gases, water vapor, and dust particles. The main components of air include nitrogen, 78%, the most abundant gas in the air. It is essential for plant growth. Oxygen, 21%, required for breathing and combustion, burning. Carbon dioxide, 0.04%, used by plants for photosynthesis. Also present in the air due to respiration and burning of fuels. Water vapor affects weather conditions and is responsible for rain formation. Dust and smoke, tiny solid particles present in the air due to pollution and natural sources. Properties of air. Air occupies space. Even though air is invisible, it fills up space. Air has weight. Air exerts pressure due to its weight. Air is needed for burning. Oxygen in the air helps in combustion. Air is transparent. We can see through it. Air is necessary for life. It provides oxygen for respiration. Uses of air. For breathing, living beings need oxygen from the air. For burning, fire needs oxygen to burn. For photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide from the air to make food. For weather changes, water vapor in the air forms clouds, causing rain. For movement, birds, airplanes, and kites move with the help of air. Experiments to show the presence of air. 1. Air occupies space. Take an empty glass and invert it in a bucket of water. The water does not enter the glass immediately because air is already present in the glass, taking up space. 2. Air is needed for burning. Light a candle and cover it with a glass jar. The flame goes out after some time because oxygen inside the jar is used up and burning stops. 3. Air exerts pressure. Blow air into a balloon. The balloon expands because air inside pushes against its walls, showing air exerts pressure. Importance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is essential for breathing and burning. Carbon dioxide is used by plants in photosynthesis and helps maintain the balance of gases in the air. Air pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful substances mix with air, making it unsafe to breathe. Causes of air pollution. Smoke from vehicles and industries. Burning of fossil fuels like coal and petrol. Deforestation, cutting down trees. Natural events like volcanic eruptions and forest fires. Effects of air pollution. Causes breathing problems and lung diseases. Leads to global warming due to increased carbon dioxide. Harms plants and animals. Reduces visibility, smog formation. Ways to reduce air. Pollution. Plant more trees. Reduce vehicle usage. Use eco-friendly fuels like CNG and electricity. Avoid burning waste materials. Conclusion. Air is a vital natural resource that supports life and various processes on Earth. It is important to keep the air clean and reduce pollution for a healthy environment. Very short answer questions. Question 1. What is air? Answer. Air is a mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth. Question 2. Which gas is the most abundant in air? Answer. Nitrogen, 78%. Question 3. Which gas in air is necessary for respiration? Answer. Oxygen. Question 4. Which component of air is responsible for rain formation? Answer. Water vapor. Question 5. Which gas do plants use for photosynthesis? Answer. Carbon dioxide. Question 6. Name two substances present in air that cause pollution. Answer. Smoke and dust. Question 7. Why can we not see air? Answer. Because air is colorless and transparent. Question 8. Name a gas in the air that is used to extinguish fire. Answer: carbon dioxide. Question 9. What is the role of dust particles in the air? Answer: they help in cloud formation but can also cause pollution. Question 10. Which gas helps in the burning process? Answer: oxygen. Question 11. What happens when air is heated? Answer: it expands and rises. Question 12. Name one noble gas present in air. Answer: argon. Question 13. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in the air? Answer: 0.04%. Question 14. Why does a balloon expand when air is blown into it? Answer: because air occupies space and exerts pressure. Question 15. Name one source of natural air pollution. Answer: volcanic eruptions. Question 16. What is the function of nitrogen in the air? Answer: it helps plants in making proteins and balances oxygen levels. Question 17. How does air help birds to fly? Answer: birds use air resistance and pressure to lift and fly. Question 18. Which gas in air is needed for breathing underwater by aquatic animals? Answer: dissolved oxygen. Question 19. What happens when we exhale? Answer: we release carbon dioxide into the air. Question 20. Which process in plants releases oxygen into the air? Answer: photosynthesis. Short answer questions. Question 1. What is the importance of air in our daily life? Answer: air is essential for breathing, burning, photosynthesis, weather changes, and supporting flight in birds and airplanes. Question 2. Why do we feel air even though we cannot see it? Answer: we feel air when it moves, such as in the form of wind, because it applies pressure on objects. Question 3. How does air help in cloud formation? Answer: water vapor in the air rises, cools down, and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. Question 4. What happens when we blow air into a balloon? Answer: the balloon expands because air occupies space and exerts pressure. Question 5. Why does a burning candle go out when covered with a glass? Answer: the candle goes out because the oxygen inside the glass is used up, and burning cannot continue without oxygen. Question 6. Why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders? Answer: at high altitudes, the amount of oxygen in the air is lower, so mountaineers need extra oxygen to breathe properly. Question 7. How does air pollution affect human health? Answer: it causes breathing problems, lung diseases, allergies, and eye irritation. Question 8. What is the role of nitrogen in air? Answer: nitrogen is essential for plant growth and helps balance the amount of oxygen in the air. Question 9. Why does a piece of paper fall slower when dropped from a height compared to a stone? Answer: the paper experiences more air resistance than the stone, which slows its fall. Question 10. Why do leaves of trees move even when we cannot see the air? Answer: the movement of air, wind, pushes the leaves, causing them to move. Question 11. What happens to a plastic bottle when air is removed from it? Answer: the bottle gets crushed because air pressure outside is greater than inside. Question 12. How do aquatic animals get oxygen to breathe? Answer: they take in dissolved oxygen from water through their gills. Question 13. Why do we see smoke coming from factories and vehicles? Answer: smoke is a mixture of gases and tiny solid particles released during burning, which causes air pollution. Question 14. Why does a hot air balloon rise up? Answer: when air inside the balloon is heated, it expands and becomes lighter, making the balloon rise. Question 15. How can we prove that air exerts pressure? Answer: when we fill a syringe with water and cover the nozzle, pressing the plunger becomes difficult, showing that air exerts pressure. Question 16. What is air pollution? Name two causes. Answer: air pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the air. Two causes are smoke from factories and vehicle emissions. Question 17. How does deforestation affect the amount of oxygen in the air? Answer: trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Cutting them down reduces oxygen levels in the air. Question 18. Why should we not burn garbage in open areas? Answer: burning garbage produces harmful gases and smoke, causing air pollution and health problems. Question 19. How does wind help in seed dispersal? Answer: light seeds are carried by the wind to different places, helping plants grow in new areas. Question 20. What is the role of carbon dioxide in nature? Answer: carbon dioxide is used by plants in photosynthesis to make food and maintain the balance of gases in the air. Long answer questions. Question 1. Explain with an experiment that air occupies space. Answer: take an empty glass and turn it upside down. Dip it into a ball of water without tilting it. You will notice that water does not enter the glass immediately. This happens because air is already present inside the glass and occupies space. Question 2. What are the causes and effects of air pollution? Answer: causes of air pollution. Smoke from factories and vehicles. Burning of coal and wood. Deforestation, cutting down trees. Natural causes like volcanic eruptions. Effects of air pollution. Causes respiratory diseases. Increases global warming. Damages plants and animals. Reduces visibility. Causes smog. Question 3. How does air help in the movement of objects? Answer: air helps in flying of birds and airplanes, sailing of boats using wind energy, movement of parachutes and hot air balloons, kite flying and windmills generating electricity.